Now, football's world governing body, FIFA, has fined the Jamaica Football Federation as a result of an incident which took place during last month's CONCACAF World Cup qualifying game against the United States at the National Stadium. Karen Madden has more.
In a release on Sunday, the Jamaica Football Federation revealed that FIFA had slapped it with a 1,000 Swiss franc or approximately 170,000 Jamaican dollar fine after a plastic water bottle was thrown from the bleachers towards the end of the game between the Reggae Boys and the United States. The November 16 incident was subsequently reported to the FIFA security officer at the National Stadium.
A report was sent to FIFA, and FIFA requested that we, defended our position. We did, but subsequently they have deemed it as an incident that was serious enough for us to be fined. As I said, 1,000 Swiss franc. It's unfortunate.
And with Jamaica to host 2 more games in the CONCACAF campaign, the JFF General Secretary reminded spectators of their responsibility.
A matter of fact, that battle did not reach on the field, it was in the perimeter, right? But as I said, they saw it as something that they would not tolerate, and they have fined JFF for it. So we have to be extra careful and at our best behavior at our home games if we want to continue to see football being played in the country. And it will not just affect the national program, it can affect the club programs, because if they ban Jamaica, no other football can be played here.
The game ended 1-1, but the Jamaicans may have won had Damian Lowe's late goal not been ruled out by Costa Rican referee Juan Gabriel Calderon for a foul on Walker Zimmerman. But television replays showed that Zimmerman had not been fouled, with several experts saying the referee made the wrong call. The JFF also appealed to Lowe's disallowed goal, but while it acknowledged receipt, the world governing body is yet to respond to the JFF on that matter. However, CONCACAF announced last week that VAR will be used for the remainder of the CONCACAF campaign. Karen Madden, TVJ Sports.